Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm just gonna be showing you and telling you the importance of apple cider vinegar and also the side effects of drinking apple cider vinegar. Well, in this whole thing, the importance is actually much more than the side effects. So just letting you know so that you would know how to avoid these things and good news. Alright, so let's get into the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, alright, so we're gonna be needing raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Look at that, it's raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Now the brand does not matter. I'm actually not promoting the brand, but it has to be organic. Now with the mother in it, okay, the mother has to be in it. And if you can see, my apple cider vinegar contains some particles. I don't know if you can see that. Now apple cider vinegar includes lot of numerous benefits that is great for weight loss. It reduces cholesterol, lower blood sugar level, and it improves symptoms of diabetes. It to reduce bloated stomach, remove weight loss, remove belly fat, and it's also a great ingredient for the skin. Now the question is, can you drink apple cider every day? Yes, 2 tablespoons each day have nearly twice as much as weight in 3 months compared to people who didn't consume apple cider vinegar. You can stir it into a glass, which is what I have here, and I'm going to be showing you how to mix that up. Alright, another question is, what are the side effects of apple cider vinegar? Now it's delayed stomach emptiness, it's digestive side effect, low potassium level, and it's also throat burns, like it burns the throat. Obviously when you drink apple cider vinegar, it's just going to give you this sensation of burning the throat. It also burns the skin, if you leave it onto your skin for so long, but it is a great ingredient that helps to improve the complexion of your skin. Okay, so if you're actually taking some medication, you need to skip using apple cider vinegar. Okay, now another question is, how much apple cider vinegar should I drink to lose weight? Okay, the amount of apple cider vinegar used for weight loss is about half tablespoon per day mixed with water, which is what I'm going to be showing you. That's why I have a glass. It's a great dosage that helps to reduce your belly fat. Okay, now just 1.5 tablespoon. Now another question is, what happens to your body when you drink apple cider vinegar? Drinking a lot of apple cider vinegar can actually damage your teeth. That is why you have to use straw. It can hurt your throat. That is why you also have to use straw. It can also upset your stomach. Well, that's why you have to mix it up with a whole much water. It helps you to lose weight, okay, and it also drops some fats, okay, in your whole body. So you're not just losing weight in your stomach area, but you're losing weight overall. Alright, so another question is, should apple cider vinegar Now, does apple cider vinegar makes you poop? Apple cider vinegar, just like apples, is high in pectin, a soluble fiber which can help you poop. Okay, so if you're having bloated stomach, yes, apple cider vinegar is recommended because it's going to help you a whole lot. You're going to poo a whole lot, and you're going to reduce all your body fat. Does apple cider vinegar lower blood pressure? In addition to lowering blood pressure almost overnight, apple cider vinegar has a myriad of fringe benefits. Helps with indigestion, especially if you suffer from diarrhea. Well, using 3 tablespoons per day of apple cider vinegar can lower your blood pressure significantly within a week. Okay, so these are the numerous benefits and side effects of apple cider vinegar. Now, some of the side effects comes with a ways of preventing it. Okay, now another question is, do you drink apple cider vinegar in the morning? 1 teaspoonful of unfiltered organic apple cider vinegar, just like I have here, diluting it with water is perfect for an empty stomach to reduce your belly fat. Another question, how can I detox my liver naturally? You can use apple cider vinegar mixed with garlic and grapefruit, with orange, limes and lemon. Okay, this is actually going to help you detox your liver, kidney, and you're going to feel great. Now let me show you how you're going to mix that. Okay, this I have here is warm water, not really hot. You're going to stir your apple cider vinegar, and you're going to take, this is half teaspoon of that. You don't need to drink it too much, and then you're going to put that into this whole plenty of water, and you're going to stir it. You're going to stir it a whole lot, and for now I can't take this, but of course if you take it this friendly, you can actually take it every day. Now you don't need too much of that, but of course it does some side effects, but there are ways in which you can prevent the side effects from affecting your whole system, but rather giving you the numerous benefits that apple cider vinegar can give. So you drink this very early in the morning before taking it. It's as simple as that. So you also have to know the benefits that, you know, some of the benefits of consuming apple cider vinegar, and also some of the side effects of consuming apple cider vinegar. Okay, because everything that has, you know, benefits would have side effects, even if it's just one side effect. So it's great that you know, so that you know when to avoid it and when to take it. But of course it's actually very good because it's healthy, it is natural, and it washes off your whole system and, you know, puts you in shape. Yeah, so that's it guys. If you did love and enjoy watching this video, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and cheers. Mwah.